Welcome back. In previous session we completed up to here. In this session we are going to create a vendor master configuration. In this session we are going to do vendor master configuration. For vendor master configuration, these are the steps. First step is to define vendor account groups. Second step is to define number ranges for account groups. Third step, linking of step 1 and step 2. And fourth step is to create a vendor master. Now go to this T code, OBD3. If you want to use path is mentioned here. You can use the same. Go to SAP, OBD3. Now we are creating vendor account groups. Click on new entries. Account group is 8800. Local vendors. In real time, these vendor groups will be created by FICO consultant. We are not responsible for these vendor groups. Local vendor. Now save this. We have successfully created vendor account groups. Next step is to create a number ranges for account groups. Go to XKN1. You can go like this /n. It will take you to easy access. If you enter T code here, XKN1, it will directly take you to XKN1 T code. Press enter. Now change interval. If you want to define, you can define a new number range. If you want to use already existing number, then you can use the number here. One thing you should ensure that there should not be any overlapping of numbers. What we will do, we will define we'll copy this, Ctrl Y and select, copy, click on intervals. Here we will enter Z8 or 88. Ctrl V, paste here, change this to 8. We will see is there any overlapping or not. Change this to 8. Press enter. See, if you select external, at the time of creating vendor master, you have to manually assign the vendor number to vendor master. Here I don't want to use external. I want system to generate this vendor number automatically in serial. Press enter. We created 88. This is the number range. Save this. We have successfully created number range. Third step is to link the vendor account group and number range. Go to OBAS /n space OBAS. Now click on position, enter vendor account group 8800. Here enter, press F4, select this one created in previous step. Select. We have successfully completed vendor account group configuration. Simple configuration. Whatever the configuration of vendor account group, number ranges, these are done at a client level. That means whatever the group created here, we can use for n number of company codes. There is no restriction there. Now go to notes. Now it's time to create a vendor master. This is the T code for creating vendor master. Go to XK01. Here, since we are using internal number range, that means system will create automatically don't enter anything here. If you are using external number range, then you need to enter here. So enter your company code 8800, purchasing organization 8800, my account group also same number. Press enter. Here select company. Here select Excite computers. Country IN. Press enter. Enter. Again enter. 3 times you have to press enter. See here I mentioned in the notes as well. Enter company code, purchasing organization, account group, press enter, title, name, entry. Next is to reconciliation account. Press F4. Select reconciliation account here. See trade payables domestic. You can select any. Here I am selecting this one. Creation of reconciliation account is the job of FICO consultant. We are not responsible for this one. Press enter. Here payment terms. Pay immediately. Press enter. Again press enter. This is purchasing organization. See here you are getting purchasing organization data. This is the job of consultant. Here order currency. Order currency is INR. In your case, if it is USD, you enter USD here based on your requirement. These are the payment terms. I want to make the payment immediately to this vendor. Now select GR based invoice verification. That we will understand. Select this. Save. We have successfully created first vendor. Go to notes. Create 2 more vendor accounts. Now to save the time, you can copy this. See, we already created this. Here you can enter like this. Vendor, purchasing organization. I want to create a second vendor and third vendor now. Press enter. ABC Limited. Press enter. See, it is automatically copied from the previous one. Again press enter. Currency is INR. It is selected. Save this. See, system is generating vendor numbers in the serial. This is the second vendor. And again create one more vendor. Press enter. dktechnologiessap website. dktechnologiessap.in. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Again press enter until you get reconciliation. See, reconciliation is same. There is no change. This is currency, order currency, INR, payment terms. Immediately select GR based invoice verification. Save this. We have successfully created 3 vendors here. Hope you understand how to create vendor master. In next session, we will understand the configuration required for material master. Thank you. If you like this course, don't forget to write a review for the course.